My name is Jonathan Troop, and we're here at the Sakura Arts Collective. Tonight, we have a Brazilian Zouk class. It's a style of dance, a partner dance that comes from Brazil. It's a descendant of this other dance called the lambada, and it's a very fun, trendy, like trending new partner dance, similar in some ways to dances like salsa, bachata, tango. But also very unique in the movement, the music. We dance to top 40s music and incorporate a lot of movements as well as music from genres as hip hop, R&B. It's a really fun dance. In tonight's class, we'll be going over the fundamental movements and fundamental timing that we've been training for the last 4 weeks. We're kind of doing an overview of the last 4 weeks and just having fun with the movements that we've been training. So it should be a good time. If you like the video and what you see, give it a thumbs up and come check out a class one of these days. If you don't feel like you mastered the basics, raise your hand. Wonderful. That's okay. Okay? That's right where you're supposed to be. You're not going to get it in 4 weeks. No way. Okay? Try 4 years. Okay? If you want to dance, yeah, Kamely's been dancing for 4 years. I was horrible still at 3 years. I had to go to Brazil. No. It takes a while sometimes, and so give yourself the best gift that you can, which is patience and tenacity. Okay, and then today what are we doing today? We're gonna review the last 4 weeks. Okay, we have most of us have been here for the whole 4 to 5 weeks. We also have our amazing friend Devin, who's showing up, dropping in to check out the class tonight for his first time. So. Everybody's going to give Devin a little extra love and support because he's jumping in the 5th week.
He's actually my coworker.
Oh, yeah?
We've never met in person, so yeah.
What?
We've only met on Zoom calls for like
People together, like literally. That's great.
Somehow I knew it would bring us specifically.
Yeah.
Nice.
So we're going to go pretty fast tonight. So it's going to be fun. We're going to start jumping right in with no music to review everything we just did over the last 4 weeks, okay? And so let's have some fun with it. I want everybody to give yourself the grace of knowing that you can repeat this next time, add another course. I don't know if anybody saw, I invited a few people to our next cycle, which starts on December 21st. It's called Zouk Flow 1.0. I really like the name of it. And that'll be happening right before this class. So if you decide you want to like add something to it and do another module, right? Start working on Solcino, like we were showing last week. We're going to be doing a Solcino flow model. You can do that and take the fundamentals right after it, and then go social dancing. There's going to be an event on Facebook that you can find called Zouk Flow 1.0. I invited some people to it already, so let me know if you have any questions. If you can't find it or whatever, just holla. Okay. Anybody have any questions about tonight or tomorrow? So we did basic in place, boom, ba, ba, boom. We also did basic at a slower timing, boom, ba, ba, boom, ba, ba, as well as traditional, jig, jig, boom, jig, jig, doom, jig, doom. Yes? We started to walk with that, just in one direction. Boom, ba, ba. I'm walking backwards, and now, boom, I'm turning. Yes? And we did forward and back basic, as well as forward and back with a cross or a turn in the rear. Yes? So when I come back on my back step, I turn, come out 90 degrees. Yes? Then we opened our partner, we brought her in, opened up again, then we got out the way for lateral. Yes? And after lateral, we got in the way to signal that we were going to do a turn and go back to basic. Okay? So if we can do that, more or less, then you've gotten a lot out of the last 4 weeks. That's something you can repeat and do a whole song with. Yeah? And add variations. We'll start doing here real soon. So let's partner up. Jacqueline, will you start dancing with Devin and do your best to bring our man up to speed. And Devin, if you don't get it, just have fun, okay? I don't know if all of you were here, like when we started, or I think maybe the second time. We did a little bit of breath work to just bring ourselves to a nice, beautiful place of calm, connected mindfulness. A couple of more deep breaths as you allow the stress to just melt off. And then try to remember a time in your life that you felt really proud of yourself. And maybe it was something you accomplished, or somebody just said, hey, good job. Take a deep breath. Five, six, starting on the left, 7, 8, and left, da, da, right, da, da, left, jig, jig, right, jig, jig, left, da, da, right, da, da, good job. Okay, and now we're doing right, jig, jig, left, ba, ba, right, da, da, left. Let's go in a little circle. Here we go. To the left, ba, ba, right, da, da, left, ba, ba, right, da, da. Good job. And to the right, jig, jig, left, jig, jig, right, jig, jig, left. Good. All right. Here on the scapula area, yeah. And then right here we meet in the middle. Good. And then I open my chest, and that kind of engages my frame. And we're ready for basic, okay? So basic in place on the left, chi, chi, right, chi, chi, left, chi, chi, right, ba, ba, left. Good job. Ba.
We're doing it.
And we're ready for basic forward and back. So let's start on the left, chi, chi, right, chi, chi, left. Good job. And forward, da, da, back. Very good. Just in the spot. Chi, chi, doom. Now we're gonna walk, ba, ba, boom, ba, back and to your right, boom, ba, ba, boom, sorry, ba, ba,
Directions hit too late.
ba, boom, ba, ba, boom, boom. Very good, good.
You're just walking around.
Not at all. Simple turn.
Coisa que fosse flutuar, deixa que te faça entender. Já te fiz sonhar sem perceber. Já te fiz
Awesome, you guys. High five your partner. Good. This is the fundamentals. You guys are killing it. Let's do it. Let's do that same song again. Same partner. You guys looking good? Let's do it from the top, okay? So we're gonna walk around back to the same spot, and then we'll roll after one basic forward and back. Here we go. Basic and 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, boom. Walk the space. Take it back to your spot. Good. Forward and back. Here we go. One more. And cross. Cross back.
Eu quis tanto ter você.
Back to the mirror.
Quando você não me quis.
Open your partner.
Agora a gente é feliz.
Spider-Man plow.
Com amor.
Lock it all. Here we go.
O ditado é quem diz que a gente ama assim, sem nada.
Simple turn.
Deixa ser mais leve que você. Essa coisa que
Good job. High five.
te faz.
We're gonna keep going an extra like 15-20 minutes for class since we started late in the second room and then bust into our social. So we're gonna drill it one more time, probably right here. Let's make it our best one yet for the fun of it and the camera. And, you guys are looking great. We're gonna do a couple more drills, and you're ready for next week. I encourage you to come practice on Saturday and practice with somebody like in the middle of the week, because next week we're gonna do our evaluation. 6, 7, basic left, right, left. Walk it back. Chick, go, bam, sta, do. Good. Turn. Go back to where you started. Take her with you. Good. Back to the mirror. Here we go. Forward and back. One more basic forward and back. And turn. Again. To the mirror. And open up. Good. That's all. Very good, Devin. And stop her on your right. Simple turn. Back to basic. Nice job, you guys. Let's do one more from here. So starting with the back wall. Starting back here. Okay, we'll start right there. Cross. Back to the mirror. Open up. In. Open. Back it off. Simple turn. Basic. Awesome. High five your partner. Only look at your partner when you're dancing with a partner. You can't keep your eye on me and dance with your partner.
Just to clarify the
Okay, come close. Come close.
So worried about doing it wrong.
Wait, hold on. For the follow, yeah, I noticed a lot of you are going straight back with your left. You want to go back with your left, then turn with your right. So just make sure, yeah. Back with your left, then turn on your right. Not
The
straight.
leaders.
Yeah, for leaders.
The leaders. Okay.
Not follows.
The leaders.
Is it follows? Leaders.
I knew what you meant. So this time when we do the walk, I just want you to walk in a circle. Yes. And then find the mirror again. One basic. And then I start crossing on my back step. Left and turn. And left, turn. Yes? Then I open to the mirror. I get out of the way for lateral. And I'm going to stop her on my right. Simple turn. Back to basic. Okay, and then you just repeat, right? Just start turning again. You can do one all the way around. Yeah. And then I stop her on my right. I do two hands and bring her to me. Okay? All these little variations and things, they just build on what we're learning now. Yes? Okay, cool. Let's do this. Let's go into the Kyoto room. And simple turn, back to basic. Yeah. Yes, nice job. 1, 2, and 3's in place. 1, 2, 3's in place. Boom, push. Cool. Good. Keep moving your feet on the left. Perfect. That was it. That's a lot for one class. That's a lot. Give it up for Devin. Today was so much fun.
Yeah.
I really enjoyed the enthusiasm from the students. They got it, and they were just, they were feeling empowered, and whenever that is the case, it shows. So it's good vibes.
Yeah, I could definitely see the progress from the first week. Now we're on our fifth week, and we got to wrap up basically everything that we learned. And yeah, next week we're going to be testing everyone to see what they remembered, and yeah.
Hopefully you can see people having fun in these Brazilian Zouk classes. With us, we try to really make the purpose of this fundamentals course, it's called Fall in Love with Zouk. And our goal is really just to get people to fall in love with the dance. So it's all about having fun. Of course, we want to make sure they leave with some new moves and some timing and an idea of what the fundamentals are in the dance. But most importantly,
to have fun.
Have fun, fall in love with dancing.
Yeah. And yeah, for me, I mean, the biggest thing is eventually getting that connection with the person you're dancing with. So yeah, I definitely think we're on a good path to getting there.
Today we had a lot of aha moments, and I think people that were just smiling.
Yeah.
That's always a sign of a job well done by the students.
Yeah. Yeah, we have these classes. The end of this Fall in Love with Zouk is next Tuesday, and then we're starting again up with.
We start up again on December 21st with a new Fall in Love with Zouk course. It's a 6-week course that people can come drop in and check out the first one. December 21st right here at Sakura Arts Collective at 7 p.m. And that'll be a 6-week course again. And of course we keep doing those all the time. And if people want to check out, find out more about it, they can check us out on social media at Sakura Arts Collective. Or our website, sakuraartscollective.com. Join us on the dance floor. We'd love to see you there.